Good morning friends, myself Dr. Prathamesh Jain, and today I will be talking about ACL brace. Now this is a routine brace that we use for a ACL injury and after an ACL surgery. This is basically a very simple brace. It has straps like this, and you can tie it like this. Usually there are two straps beneath the knee and two straps above the knee and one broad strap at the level of the knee. Now many patients have asked me whether the brace should be used after a ACL injury and a ACL surgery. Now I will be coming to each and every of these aspects. Supposedly if you get an ACL injury acutely and you are on a playground or in the market or somewhere else, it is a good idea to apply the brace. So there is no doubt regarding that. Reason that because if you suspect that you have a ligament injury of the knee, the brace will definitely give you a mediolateral and anterior posterior protection, and this will also serve as a very good first aid for the patient to go and consult his doctor. So there is no confusion. If you have suffered an acute injury to the knee, you should apply a brace as a first aid and then you can consult your doctor. In most of the cases, if there is a ligament injury, a brace is advised for a variable period of time depending on the severity and the grade of injury that you suffer. Slowly, as the pain and the swelling subside, the range of motion gradually can be started and the use of brace can be slowly reduced. Now coming to the second part, use of brace after a surgical intervention. Now the best person to tell you about this is your operating surgeon, and all of you must consult your orthopedic surgeon who has operated you regarding the use of brace, the duration of the brace and how the brace should be used, along with when to start the range of motion exercises. I am just giving you a gross overview of this topic via this video. Now with regards to ACL reconstruction surgery, grossly we divide ACL reconstruction surgery into two types: the ACL surgery proper and the ACL surgery plus other procedures. First we will talk about solitary ACL reconstruction procedure. This procedure is done when the other structures are normal. So if you have a normal meniscus, normal other ligaments, both your meniscus are normal, the cartilage is normal, then a solitary or an isolated ACL reconstruction surgery is done. And there is a debate about whether to use the knee brace after an ACL reconstruction or not. The advantages of using this brace are: it provides a mediolateral stability, it prevents any injury, it prevents further falls, and it gives you a feeling of mental and psychological support. The disadvantages are: it retards the development of quadriceps muscles and it hampers the progression of range of motion. Now there are several studies. McDavid in 2002 suggests that there is no evidence of improved outcome with the use of this brace. Wright in 2007 says that knee brace has got no additional value. Same thing was seen by Anderson et al. In 2009. Birmingham did a randomized control trial in 2009 and they say that brace was not superior to the rehabilitation without a brace. And then there were some studies with the soft braces as well. Now with all these studies, the brace in an isolated case of ACL reconstruction surgery is not mandatory, and if you want to use it, you may use it for a short duration of time, which may be about 1 to 2 weeks, not more than that, and you should concentrate more on the rehabilitation and the physiotherapy after this surgery. But mind you, if you have a ACL reconstruction surgery with an added procedure, like you may have a meniscus repair surgery, or you have a cartilage repair surgery, a mosaic plasty surgery, or any other ligament surgery which has been combined with the ACL surgery, then there is definitely a role of using a knee brace for a different time frame depending on the surgery which is performed. So in those cases, you must consult your operating surgeon so that he can guide you the best time frame and the best way to use the knee brace. So in those particular conditions, it is always good to wear the brace for a definite period of time, and that in those cases the brace will help in the rest and in the healing of that particular surgery. So I hope that I am able to clear your doubts regarding use of ACL in ligament surgery, specifically in ACL rehabilitation. If you have any doubts pertaining to this talk, you may write us on the comment box. Thank you.